Good day, viewers. In this video, we're going to learn another set of 5 questions from JAMB. If you're watching us on YouTube, please support us by subscribing to our channel. And if you want to be notified when we drop a new video, click on the notification button and you get notified as soon as a new video drops. And if you're watching us on Facebook, please follow our page, like our videos, and share our videos to as many learners out there as they are. Thank you. Now for number 1, we're asked to find the value of P if the line joining this set of coordinates is perpendicular to the line joining this set of coordinates. Now for two lines to be perpendicular, the product of their gradients must be equal to what? -1. So we compute the gradient of the points. We know that to find gradient of the point is given by this expression y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So for the first set of coordinates, we have p, 4 and 6, -2. This is our x1, this is our y1, this is our x2, this is our y2. So we apply that, you have what? -2 minus 4, -2 minus 4 over 6 minus p. 6 minus p. And this will give us what? -6 over 6 minus p. This is the gradient of the first set. Okay, for the second set, you have 2, 9 and -1, 3. This is our x1, y1, x2, y2. So apply the expression. This is going to give us what? 3 minus 9. 3 minus 9 over -1 minus 3. -1 minus 2 rather, sorry. Right? And this will give us what? -6 over what? -3. And this will give us what? 2. Okay? Alright? So, for it to be perpendicular, it means 2 times -6 over 6 minus p, that is the product of the two gradients, must be equal to what? -1. Alright? This will give us what now? -12 over 6 minus p equals what? -1. Okay? 1 here. When you cross multiply, let me use this part of the board. When you cross multiply, we have -1 times, you have -1 times what? 6 minus p equals what? -12. Okay? Open the bracket, you have -6 plus p equals -12, and then your p equals -12 plus 6, your p equals -6, right? So the value of your p is -6, and that is given by option what? D. So option D gives the correct answer for number 1. Now move to number 2. For number 2, we're asked to factorize completely this expression. So the first thing I'll do here, I'll regroup. Okay, so I'm going to have y cubed plus xy cubed minus 4y minus 4xy. Okay, then I factor out each pair. What is common between this and this? I have y cubed is common, right? Factor out y cubed from here, I have 1 left, plus factor out y cubed from here, I have x. Okay, what is common between these two terms? 4 minus, I bring out my minus 4y. Okay, factor out minus 4y from here, I'm left with y, 1. Factor out minus 4y from here, I'm left with plus x. Okay, then I have common brackets, I factor it out. Okay, I have 1 plus x. Factor out 1 plus x from here, I have y cubed. From here, I have minus 4y. Okay, here also y is common. I factor out y from here. I'm going to have 1 plus x, right? Bring out my y. Factor out y from here, I have y squared minus factor out y from here, I have 4. Okay, all right. This will give me difference of 2 squares, which can be expressed as what? Y into 1 plus x, like these two terms. Then I apply difference of 2 squares here. I have y plus 2 y minus 2, right? Y square minus 4 can be expressed as what? Y square minus 2 square. This is the difference of two squares. All right, and by definition, this is equals to what? Y plus 2. That is the sum of the numbers, product of the sum and the difference. All right, that's what I have here. Okay, so what do I have now? Do I have my answer now? Yes, and that's given by option what? Option C, y 1 plus x, y plus 2, y minus 2. So option C gives the correct answer for this question. Now I have question 3 to 5 on the board. Okay, question 3, we have to evaluate this integral. Okay, let me expand this bracket separately. X minus 1 square is same as saying x minus 1 times x minus 1. Expand this, I'm going to have x square minus x minus 2x minus 1 plus 1. So this can be expressed as what now? Integral 1 minus 2 of what? X square minus 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, if I pass the integral through, I'm going to have integral from 1 minus 2 x squared dx, right? Minus 2 integral of x 1 minus 2 dx plus integral of 1 dx. Okay, what will this give me now? Now, given the function, let's say a raised power x, the integral of a raised power x is expressed as what? Is given as a into a of raised power x plus 1 over x plus 1, right? If I apply this here, I'm going to have, here we have x squared, that is x cubed, 2 plus 1, 3 over what? 3, right? Minus 2, integral of x, 1 plus 1, that is x squared over 2, right? Plus integral of a constant with respect to x is what? X, right? And put my limit 1 minus 2. Okay, so what does this give me now? This will cancel out, right? So I have 3 as LCM. This will give me x cubed, 3 into 3, 1 times x cubed, minus 1 into 3, 3 times this, minus 3x squared, plus 1 into 3 times x, 3x, with my limit 1 minus 2. Okay, so when I pass the limit, I'm going to have what? 1 cube, right? I'm going to have 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 3 times 1. This all over what? 3, right? Minus, I put minus 2, I have minus 2 cube minus 3 times minus 2 square plus 3 minus 2 all over what? 3. Okay, let me use this part of the board. What will this give me now? I'm going to have 1 cube, this is 1, minus 1 square is 1, 1 minus 3 minus 2, right? Minus 2 plus 3 is 1. So I have 1 over 3 minus, here I have minus 2 cube is minus 8, right? Minus 8, this is 3 times minus 2, this is minus 2 square is 4, minus 3 times 4 minus 12, right? Here I have, okay, let me start all over again. Okay, for this case I have minus 2 cube, that's minus 8, minus 2 square is 4, minus 3 times 4 minus 12, 3 times minus 2 6, I have minus 6. This gives me minus 26. So minus 26 over what? 3. This will give me what now? 1 plus 26 over what? 3. And that will be 27 over 3. That will give me what? 9. Okay? So the integral of this expression is what? 9. And that's given by option what? Option B. So option B gives the correct answer. Now for number 4, we have to find the value of this log, given that log 4 is 0.60217. Okay, 0.60217. All right. Now, by property of log, this can be expressed as what? Log of base 10 1 minus what? Log 40 base 10. Right? And this can be written as what? Log base 10, 10 to the power of 0, right? Minus any number that is per 0 is 1, right? Minus what? Log, I split this, I have what? 4 times 10. Okay? And this will give me what now? This is 0 log, right? 10 base 10. Okay? Giving a log of a number, let's say x to the power of n, right? Can be given as what? The n multiple of n times log, right? So that was what I did here. All right, then for this I have minus log base 10 log 4 plus log 10, right? This will give me what now? This will become 0, right? 0 minus, open the bracket with this negative, log 4 base 10 minus log 10 base 10. All right, and this will give me what now? Minus log 4 base 10 is given by, I'm going to have minus 0.60217 minus log 10 base 10 is what? 1, right? So what does this give me now? Minus 1.60217. Minus this is minus 1.60217, and that is given by option C, right? Option C gives the correct answer. Now lastly, question 5. A bag contains 4 white balls and 6 red balls. 2 balls are taken from the bag without replacement. What is the probability that they are both red? Probability that they are both red, PRR, will be equals to what? The probability of the first red ball, right? Probability of the first red ball times probability of the what? Second red ball. Okay, now probability of an event is given by what? The number of the event over what? Sample space. Our sample space here is the total balls, that is 10 balls, right? 10 balls. Okay, so probability of the first red, for the first we have 6 red balls, that is 6 over what? 10. This will be, for the first red is 6 over what? 10, that is number of the red balls over total number of balls. Okay, times, now take note here, it was indicated that when this first red ball is picked, there's no replacement. So without replacement, right, we're going to have 9 balls left, right? And the second red will now be what? 5. Okay, we now have 9 balls left, out of which 5 will be red. So for probability of the second ball is red, will now be what? 5 over the total number of balls now is what? 9. So you solve this, you are going to have 3 here, 2, 3 here, 3. This gives us what? 10 over 30, which is equals to what? 1 over 3. And that is given by option D. Option D gives the correct answer for number 5. That is all we have for you in this video. Hope to see you next time. Please don't forget, support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you and God bless you.